Hi, Dark Green Group. This is Dark Green Sort 31. You have 3 patterns today, so you will need 3 different colors. Again, just like last week, all of your patterns have to do with the ending of your word. So your 3 endings are ER, OR, and AR. So or, R. Let's start with ER, making the sound. For example, we have other. We also have spider, rather, like I would rather have a sunny day. Weather, this is talking about the weather outside. Mother, go above mother, silver. We have flower and father, lots of ERs. Under, I think that might be our last. Oh, missed one. Cover. All right, I think those are all of our ERs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ERs. Go ahead and change your color. Let's move on to OR, making the OR sound like color. Doctor or doctor. Favor. We have flavor. Look at those two. Favor and flavor. Real similar. Mirror. That's a weird one. Has 2 R's in the middle. Rumor. Don't spread a rumor. It's not nice. Motor, like in a car or a boat, motor. Harbor, that is water. And tractor. My pen went a little crazy. Tractor. In a rural area, you might see a tractor. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ORs. Switch to your last color. Last pattern is AR. Collar. Like, do you have a collar for your dog? Sugar. Need a cup of sugar. Dollar. Solar. Solar is coming from the sun. So anything that's powered by the sun is solar powered. And the last one is grammar. Grammar means that we are using the correct forms in sentences. We're putting periods and capitals. We're making sure we say he is, not he, not I is. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you take a picture of all of your new patterns and make sure you study. Good luck.